Hello everyone. Last minute studying? We've all been there, skimming textbooks, absorbing almost nothing, and watching our grades suffer. That's why we created Omics, an AI powered learning platform designed to maximize your understanding in minimal time. Let's see how it transforms the way students learn. Many students struggle with effectively processing large volumes of information, especially under time constraints. Traditional study methods often lead to poor retention and understanding. Omex simplifies learning in just 4 steps. Upload your textbook PDF, receive AI generated visual mind maps, practice with interactive quizzes, and earn motivational rewards as you progress. On the web page, you can either click on the Get Started button or on the Start Learning button to proceed. Over here, you get a UI to upload your PDF file. Like, for example, I have this historiography.pdf file which contains a chapter from the history textbook of class 10 of Maharashtra State Board from India. This is a very well known textbook used by many students all over Maharashtra. This chapter contains information about historiography development in the West. I will upload this PDF on the web page and then you can see the magic happen. As soon as you click on the process syllabus button, our system immediately process your document, identifying key concepts and relationships between the topics, and generating a visually appealing mind map. Within just 9 seconds, Omex's AI transforms the dense text into interactive visual mind maps that highlight essential concepts and their connections. These visual representations help convert information into long term memory, making complex topics intuitive to understand at a glance. Like, for example, I have this mind map called Historiography Development in the West, which gives me an overview of the whole chapter. If you scroll even further, you will get an even more precise mind map called Historical Research Method, which gives me even more precise information about the historical research methods used in the ancient times. You can click on the Start Study Streak button, which will redirect you to our next feature of the app.
Hello everyone, I am Vansh and I'll be continuing the demonstration. This is the study plan generated from the mind maps as shown previously. This is the token count which we will get after completing each quiz. If we get more than 70% marks, we will get 80 tokens plus 4 tokens bonus. And if we get more than 90% marks, we will get 100 tokens plus 5 tokens bonus. This is the navigation bar, this is the light and the dark mode toggle button. And this is the Omics logo which redirects to the home page. For each topic, Omics generates personalized quizzes to test your understanding of the topic. These topic-specific assessments help you recall what you have studied, reinforcing learning and giving you confidence that you have mastered the material. Omics creates a customized study plan that breaks down complex topics into manageable sessions, optimizing your limited study time. As you complete topics and quizzes, you earn Omics tokens that keep you motivated throughout your learning journey. This gamification element has proven highly effective at maintaining student engagement. Now I'll practically show you whatever I've just said. I'll attempt the modern historiography quiz. This is the estimated time which can be inaccurate as the estimator. Now I'll start the quiz. You can even maximize the quiz to avoid any distraction caused by the apps and the task. I'll attempt the quiz in this mode only. I just pick any questions and answers just for demonstration purpose. Now I'll submit the quiz by clicking on this button. Now this is the detailed quiz review. By this quiz review, you can analyze what you have got wrong and what you have got right. In this case, I have got everything right. You can even retry the quiz in case you are not satisfied and you want to try again, or you can continue without claiming the tokens. But I'll claim the tokens and show you how it is done. Now I'll click on this button and I've claimed 105 tokens as I got 100%, which is more than 90%. Tokens claimed successfully. Now I can see the tokens right here. So as I progress, the tokens will be stored right here. And you can even see the completed button of the quiz, which indicates and helps you track your progress as of what quizzes you have given and what understanding you have gained. Like this, there are quizzes for each subtopic, and this is the footer from which you can navigate through the website. Now there is also rewards, which is not currently functional as this is just a prototype model of the website. I'll just show you the rewards page. This is the reward store. As you can see this notice board, these rewards are not currently available. We will make them available in the next update as we optimize the app even more. There are multiple rewards which you can claim with the number of tokens. And these tokens are earned by the quizzes and the tests you get. Now I'll quickly show you even 2 or 3 more features of the app. So this is the home page as my friend showed you the home page. I'll show you the contact page through which you can contact us. I'll just fill out my name, email, and hello, and I will just send the message. And the message is successfully sent to us. This is the contact page. Now I'll once more go to the home page and I'll show you the FAQ section. As my friend showed you all of this, this is the frequently asked question. So if there are any questions you don't need to wait for us to reply to you, these questions can be tackled through your own. Now these are some testimonials of the students who have tested our app. These testimonials help students verify the authenticity of the app. Students across different fields have transformed their learning experience with Omics, proving comprehension and retention while studying more effectively. So this is about the app. You can even contact us at this email address if you want to use your email instead of contacting us through this form. So this is about the website. I hope you like the demonstration and I look forward for you to log in into this app and transform your entire learning experience.